Hi, it's Sherry, and today I want to share a yoga breath practice with you. And I'm super excited about this breath practice called square breathing. It is one that my Yoga for Vitality class does every week, and I really like it because it is one that you can do anywhere, anytime. I kind of call them stealth breath practices. You can do this standing, seated, lying down, walking meditation, and also stealth because no one knows you're doing a yoga practice. So I often like to use this one when I have to wait somewhere, like the doctor's office. I can do this breath and kind of stay a little more grounded and present. I also am excited about this because I made some awesome props to go with this one. So I like to visualize a square, that I'm drawing a square when I'm doing this breath practice to help me stay with it. So the first thing we're going to do, because we're doing a breath practice, is draw our attention to the breath. And right now you aren't going to change anything about the breath. Just notice it. Maybe let it even out a little. And then notice, count to yourself. You do not need your watch. You do not need an app. Just count to yourself, how long is the next inhale? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how long is the exhale? 1, 2, 3, 4. Just information. But because we're going to draw a square, we're going to take this information and make two even sides. So we want that inhale and exhale to be even. So maybe you're going to speed the inhale up a little bit. Maybe you're going to slow the exhale down a little bit. Or maybe something in between those two until it feels like the inhale and the exhale are even. So practice that for a moment. Counting to yourself does not have to be perfect. Even inhale, even exhale. Now we're going to add the other two sides of the square, which are pauses. So you've got your next even inhale. At the top of that even inhale, you pause. Holding this breath in only so long as it's actually comfortable, no longer than the inhale itself was. And then an even exhale. And at the bottom of that exhale, you pause. Only so long as the exhale was, but again, no longer than is actually comfortable. So feeling free to come out of the exhale pause sooner. And then you're back at the beginning. You got that even inhale. And then you pause. And then you have that even exhale. And you pause. And keep going around. Staying with this breath. Even inhale. Pause. Even exhale. Pause. And if at any point you notice the mind has wandered off, you exhale out and then come back to the breath. Inhaling. Pause. Exhaling. Pause. And continuing with this breath. Maybe in your mind starting to visualize this drawing the sides of the square. Inhaling up one side, pausing, and exhaling, drawing down the third side, and pausing, drawing along the bottom. And staying with this breath for as long as feels comfortable. I hope you enjoy this practice and enjoy incorporating it whenever and wherever you want. Thank you for your practice.